Meet the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Smartphones built by Google and designed around you. With Pixel, you're seen, heard, and connected wherever you go. And it all starts with the brains behind Pixel 7. The Google Tensor G2 chip. Pixel's newest processor is custom-built with Google AI and makes Pixel faster and more secure, delivering the best photo and video quality yet. Time to meet their next-level cameras. The Pixel 7's dual rear camera takes incredible photos in stunning color and detail. You give your videos a dramatic effect with cinematic blur. Real Tone accurately and beautifully represents all skin tones. Now, meet the pro-level triple rear camera system on the Pixel 7 Pro. It includes an upgraded ultra-wide lens that powers macro focus to make tiny details epic. The telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and our next-generation super res zoom gets you close-up quality even from far away. Easily edit your photos with Magic Eraser. It magically erases distractions. There, much better. Your photos and everything else on your phone deserve multiple layers of security. The Google Tensor G2 and Titan M2 security chip protect your personal information. And with the built-in VPN by Google One, Pixel 7 protects your online activity.
Hi.
Hi, Robert.
Oh, the dogs are going crazy. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Clear calling diminishes callers' background noise so you can catch up clearly.
Yeah, no, we're just here, all of us.
And wherever you go, you understand the language with Live Translate. It works as you read, talk, or type.
¿Cuánto por una tarta de queso?
チーズケーキはいくらですか?
2000円でございます。
Extreme Battery Saver lets you stay out without looking for an outlet for up to 72 hours. Google technology works with your body too. Meet the first ever Google Pixel Watch with the best of Fitbit built in. Track active zone minutes, see all your stats at a glance, and get even deeper insights with the Fitbit Premium membership. Add Pixel Buds Pro for immersive premium sound and sleek design. With multi-point connectivity, you stay connected while you switch devices, hands-free. Add a soundtrack to whatever you're doing, and with active noise cancellation, your music sounds epic everywhere. All this, and Pixel 7 keeps getting better with feature drops that automatically improve your phone every few months. Connect, keep going, understand the language, get the close-up, do magic with Google Pixel.